Hello, in this video I'm going to explain to you the entire contract acquisition systems I use for contractors and home remodeling business owners to help them generate leads through social media. If you don't know me, my name is Vlad. I run paid ads along with acquisition systems for contractors and home remodeling business owners, and in today's video I'm going to show you the entire system behind the scenes. First, it's called contract acquisition systems because it will help your business grow and sign more contracts with your business. First are creatives, because without creatives and without content from you, I mean photos and videos that you did on the old project, you are not gonna have content to test. These are raw projects, tested projects that you run in the past, or if you don't run ads in the past, that's not the case, and run through Meta platform. Second is targeting. For targeting, we're gonna target your local area, age from 30 to 65, because people below the age of 30, they're not gonna be interested in working for their house because they're not homeowners, they're just staying at a parent's house or in rent, so they don't own that house. To build an active intent from your local area and age 30 to 65. And our funnel is pretty simple to understand. First, we generate the traffic that we come from our ads, and our goal for that traffic is to get them fill out a form onto your website. And when they fill out the form, you'll get an instant alert, so you'll have the fastest connection and the least amount of friction toward your leads fill form journey, and that will help your business tenfold. When it comes to closing, for you it's your job. So let me break it down. You have to call the leads that I'm going to provide to you using our speed to lead systems fast. Then you have to qualify them and see if they're a fit in working with your business. Then you're going to book an appointment. And all of this right here, creative, targeting, funnel, and close, will get to a booked job. And this book job right here, so you have paid ads as your top client acquisition funnel into your own business. Then you also are going to get reviews, so your Google profile will boost up. And when people are going to search roofing in California, for example, they're going to see your business first because you build out a Google profile there with a lot of reviews. And also you'll get referrals, and from one client you sign using paid ads, you can transform that client into 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 referrals. As I mentioned, the number one priority and number one client acquisition systems as your lead sources in your business needs to be paid ads, because then you can control the volume, you can control the leads, you control all of the things, and you also track all of the data, so you will make data-driven decisions based on what's performing and what's not performing for your own business, because businesses and ads for businesses are different. The second source needs to be referrals, because referrals and word of mouth are the biggest thing, but you need to have a number one priority, and the scalable one who paid ads really are. And when it comes to referral, because you are going to focus 100% on the jobs, not on marketing, because I'm going to handle marketing for your own business. The referrals are going to get you a lot of money because you focus 100% on that job, so you did a great job for that client, and that client is happy, so he's going to refer your business. And the next one are repeated clients, because people remodel their house maybe once, twice per year. So if you do a great job for them and you also put them into a lead list and give them an offer if they refer your business, and say to those clients, if you are going to refer our business, you are going to get $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 off of your next project because you are an old client. Then let's get to pillars. People number one is attract traffic into your own landing page. So we have raw photos into ads, test those ads, and local targeting. So for the ads, we're going to use carousels, AI creatives, and drone footage. For carousel, I'm gonna give you an example right here. This is another carousel. So this is the first photo, and then the rest of the photos are multiple drone footage, or actually photos on this same project. As you see, this is a roofing. Then AI creatives, I mean by that, photos that you take with your old projects. We are going to use the power of AI, because AI is the biggest thing in 2026, and we are going to generate both good looking and also trustworthy ads, like you see on this one. Your dream home, deliver on time, or we pay you. If we miss your guaranteed moving date, you'll get $7,500 back and a review from clients. So you get your idea. Then when it comes to test content, we are going to test a lot of content, like I said, carousels, videos, AI creatives, drone footage, all the content that you have, and obviously we're gonna scale the winners and cut the losers, and we're gonna see what's the top performing creatives, and we're gonna put more budget into that. Then for local targeting, we're gonna target, as I said, your local area, people between the age of 30 to 65, because we want to build an active intent for your business. And we're gonna run ads on Facebook plus Instagram, but I saw Facebook perform best because older people stay more on Facebook. So we are also gonna test these two apps, and we're gonna put your top performing ad into the top performing app. And I've saw 80% of the time that Facebook is gonna be the top performing app, because on Facebook older people stay on that app. Then pillar 2 Then pillar 2 is coming to convert those leads into active clients for your business. And this pillar convert contains 3 big things. First is landing page, then lead form, then speed alert. So you can reach out to the leads as fast as possible. So you will be the first contractor they talk to, not the third one or maybe the fourth one. When it comes to landing page, when you have a good looking website or a good looking landing page for your own business, but no traffic is directed to that landing page, there will be no leads. So that's why you need to have a good looking landing page with a good amount of traffic to that landing page. Then here is the test landing page that I've made. As you can see, this is the offer. This is what we do. This is attention homeowners, and this one builds scarcity, and on the phone is going to be at the top, at a header, and here is the lead form. So we're going to ask for the full name, phone number, property address, how we can help. Then lead form. Like I said, this is the form that you are gonna have on your landing page. So you'll get the name and the phone number so you can call the lead as fast as possible, and also property address. So if they are in your local area and they are near to you, you are gonna see on the spreadsheet, call them, qualify and see if they are fit in working with your business, and then book a job. It's that simple. And speed alert. This is crucial because speed matters 9% of the time, because if you are gonna get leads, but if you call them 3, 4, 6 hours after they fill that form, they're not gonna be any more interested in working with your business. The most interested they're gonna be in your business are in the first 30 minutes. So you need to act fast. So the funnel is working like this: form, alert, you call the leads, and leads dashboard. Form, like I said, this one is the form that we are going to use. It's not going to be the same for everyone, but this is an example. Then you are going to get an alert like this. So new lead just landed, a new lead just arrived. You are going to get their full name, their phone number, and also their address. So on your phone, you are going to get this notification, and you can call the leads because you know everything from that email. Then when you are going to be at your desk, you're going to see this full dashboard right here that I built, where you are going to see all of your leads. So full name, phone number, email, what do you need help with, street, city, state, zip code, message, how to find about us, timeline, and lead status. Here are going to be all of the questions that you have active on your form on your landing page, and you're going to see all of the information about that client before calling them. So that's the best thing. Pillar 3 is your job. You need to close the leads that we provide to you. So you need to call them, qualify, then book. And then you book that appointment. You need to do the work and make content. It's that easy on your side. And you might ask, why did I put here disqualify? Because you already know all of their information from that form that you have on your landing page. You need to pre-qualify leads. So when you book here, they're going to be interested more and more in your company. Then you're going to do the work because you focus 100% on doing the work and after the content. So you do content before, in, during, and after the project. It's that simple. Maybe 20 minutes every single stage. So it will take you an hour to do content for months of ads. Then the last pillar, compound. So you need to compound after, because once you are done with the job, you don't have to do the job and leave. You need to ask them for a 5-star review, because if they're saying that, oh, thank you for the project, is looking amazing, nobody is gonna know that because they said just to you. And you're gonna text them the link to directly give you a 5-star review, so you will build also your Google profile based on the project. Then you also are gonna get referrals, and then you will add that lead into the repeat pipeline, so they become a client for the rest of their life. And as the final, a happy customer, a happy client that you did a great job for them, feeds proof back into the top. So ads, referrals, and also reviews. And that is going to get you a predictable pipeline. So to cover all of that information into like 2 minutes, this is the full system. So first you attract the leads using ads, then you convert those leads using landing page and lead form and speed. Then you close the leads using speed also, and also pre-qualify those leads. Then after you've done the job, because you focus 100% on doing the jobs and make the client happy, then those jobs are going to compound, because from one client you're going to get a testimonial, a review also, and also content in ads before, in work, and after done the project. So this is the system that I use for my clients to generate them leads through social media. I hope you as a contractor, if you're watching this video, you get some knowledge on how to market your business. And in the end, if you want to work with me and apply these contract acquisition systems for your own business, check out my website. You can book a call there, but before booking a call, you can watch the mini case study that I have active on my website, so you will know more about my clients and how specifically I get them results. And after that, book a call with me.